fibre-reinforced PEX, a district heating pipes from Infra, are being laid in Egilsstadir, Iceland. The company from St. Valentin in Lower Austria is the only one in Europe to produce flexible plastic pipes and reinforce them with aramid fibers.
Das ist ja das, was uns einzigartig macht, das Infra, dass wir quasi unter einem Dach.
What makes us unique as Infra is that we can supply everything from a single source, from the raw granulate to the finished insulated pipe. This means that we extrude a so-called liner pipe, a basic pipe. We reinforce it, we weave fibers around it, which give the pipe the necessary stability to withstand pressure and temperature loads, and we then insulate it on the so-called flex lines in order to be able to supply a finished Uno or Duo product to our customers.
The reinforced pipes are particularly resistant to pressure and temperature, and are therefore suitable for many applications in district heating and district cooling.
The aramid fiber reinforced pipes have pressure absorption due to the aramid fiber, which allows to achieve significantly higher pressures while reducing the wall thickness of the pipes.
Less wall thickness also allows larger pipe dimensions.
Our largest pipe is a nominal 160mm pipe, which other manufacturers can only produce as bar stock. We can produce it flexible on rolls, and we are also able to produce a 90-90 double pipe. Here, we have a unique position on the European market.
Throughout Europe and in large parts of North America, customers rely on the quality of flexible Infra pipes. 60% of the production are exported.
We are currently working on a project in Tuscany, Italy. We have 2-meter-wide alleys there and 600 meters of pipe to lay. That is difficult to manage with 12-meter poles.
A major advantage, Infra pipes can be laid particularly quickly.
This project would have taken around 4 months with steel pipes. We laid the 14 kilometers completely in about 3 weeks.
At the second site in St. Valentin, Infra produces insulated steel service pipes for the Austrian market.
On the one hand, there are regional biomass local heating networks, where we have our customers throughout Austria, spread across the entire country. The others are municipal utility sector or energy suppliers.
District heating and cooling is a key player in the decarbonisation of air conditioning. Infra brings it to people with pipes made in Austria.